Cloud computing has completely changed the world. It allows us to store and access our stuff from anywhere, making life more convenient. Plus, we can now work with people from all over the world without a hitch. All thanks to cloud computing. It has been just under 2 decades since the term cloud gained widespread recognition. During this relatively short period, numerous cloud service providers have entered the market, and new ones continue to emerge regularly. Nevertheless, a select few providers have consistently achieved and sustained their positions in the industry. So in this video, we'll discuss the top 5 cloud computing service providers for 2024. But before we begin, if you enjoy watching these kind of videos and find them helpful, then subscribe to our YouTube channel because we bring the best videos for you daily. Also hit the bell icon to never miss any updates from Simplilearn. Also, if you want to become an expert in cloud computing and gain handsome salary packages, then look at the wide range of cloud computing courses by Simplilearn, in collaboration with the top universities across the globe. By enrolling in any of these certification programs, you will gain an in-depth understanding of cloud services such as AWS Cloud Formation, Azure Resource Manager, EC2, S3, Route 53, VPC, Azure App Services, Google Cloud Platform, and much more. You'll acquire the knowledge and skills for passing cloud architect certifications such as AWS Architect and Azure Architect, and you will catch the eye of top recruiters. So, what are you waiting for? Hurry up and enroll. A year of experience is preferred to enroll in these courses, so check out the link mentioned in the description box below for more details. So, what actually is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to the practice of using remote servers on the internet to store, manage, and process data instead of relying solely on your local computer. It allows you to access your files, applications, and services from anywhere with an internet connection, providing convenience, scalability, and flexibility for individuals and businesses alike. So without wasting any more time, let's move on to the top 5 cloud computing service providers for 2024, according to the market capitalization of each provider. So at number 5, we have the IBM Cloud. IBM Cloud, in simple terms, is a cloud computing platform and suite of services offered by IBM, a well-known technology company. IBM Cloud is like a toolbox that offers various tools for businesses. It helps them run their computer programs, store data, and do other essential tasks on their own computers or the internet. People like IBM Cloud because it's known for being remarkably safe and reliable. It's a top choice for big companies, especially those in healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, because it has special tools that are perfect for these industries. So features provided by IBM Cloud includes virtual servers, create and manage virtual machines for running applications with flexibility, AI and machine learning, access tools for data analysis, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Hybrid cloud. Combine your on-premises infrastructure with cloud services for seamless integration. Security and compliance. Proper security tools and adherence to industry standards for data protection. Global research. Access data centers worldwide for better performance and redundancy. Moving on to number 4, we have the Alibaba Cloud. Alibaba Cloud holds the top spot among cloud providers in China, commanding a 42.4% market share, and in the Asia Pacific, it boasts a 19.6% market share. It's an excellent choice if your target market is in China. Established in 2009, it has since become the third largest player globally in the infrastructure as a service market. Serving more than 1 million paying customers, Alibaba Cloud is a dependable and scalable cloud platform suitable for running various applications. Alibaba Cloud offers various computing services including virtual machines, containers, serverless computing, storage, and networking services such as virtual private network, load balancing, and content delivery networks. At number 3, we have the most renowned Google Cloud Platform. GCP or Google Cloud Platform holds 10% of the cloud market, making it the third most popular choice. It's available in 200 plus countries and 115 zones worldwide. So if you already use Google tools like Gmail, Google Docs, or Google Workspace, GCP is a great fit because it works seamlessly with these products. Google Cloud Platform offers various cloud services, all running on the same technology that powers Google's famous product like Google Search and YouTube. Many people use Google for personal and work purposes, and its tools such as Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, include email, document editing, and much more. GCP collaborates with many other companies and invests in cutting-edge technology. It provides machine learning, serverless computing, and container management, making it a user-friendly and innovative tool. Moving on to number 2, we have the Microsoft Azure. Azure holds a big piece of the cloud market with over 20%, making it one of the top global cloud providers. It offers many services worldwide and it's very focused on keeping things safe. Azure is really into things like making computers intelligent by using artificial intelligence and machine learning and connecting your regular computers with the hybrid cloud. Azure is great if you want to use your programs both on your own computers and in the cloud. Azure works really well with other stuff made by Microsoft. So, if you already use Microsoft's tools like Office 365 or Dynamics 365, Azure can help you fit those with your cloud apps. Also, Azure can be a good deal, especially for small businesses, because it's often cheap. And finally, at number 1, we have Amazon Web Services. Currently, AWS is the top cloud provider with over 30% of the cloud market. People all over the world use it, and there are lots of folks who make things for it. It all started in 2006 when Amazon created it. Since then, it's grown a lot. AWS works in 245 different places worldwide, like countries and regions. It's like an extensive toolbox with over 200 tools for things like storing stuff, using computers, and even teaching computers to learn new things. They keep coming up with new tools and tricks. AWS is also super safe and has over 140 certificates that say it's suitable for following the rules in different countries. That makes it a good choice for people all around the world. AWS offers vast features including computing power with services like Amazon EC2, various storage solutions like Amazon S3, extensive networking capabilities, fully managed database such as Amazon RDS, powerful analytics tools, and machine learning services. It's also known for its global reach, boasting data centers in numerous regions. So, there you have it, the top 5 cloud service providers across the globe. Now the question is, which one should you choose? When picking a cloud provider, you should think about a few things. Number 1 is services you need. Check if they have the required services like computing, storage, networks, and databases. Features and functionality. Consider what features matter to you, such as the ability to grow, security, and the speed. Next is pricing. Ensure the pricing is fair and that you get what you are paying for. And lastly, the support. Look for reliable support so you can get assistance whenever you need it. So with that, we have come to the end of this video on top 5 cloud providers. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them down in the comment section below. We'll see you next time. Till then, keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.